Hi everyone, happy Onam to one and all. Onam is also a celebration of spring. After the relentless Karkidakam rain, a festival of flowers which decorate the environs. A time to prepare flower beds of happiness to receive King Mahabali who visits us once in a year. A time spent roaming the yards and fields with flower baskets, singing Poove Puli in search of native blooms. The styles of the flower beds may vary between regions, but over the 10 days from Attam Day in the month of Chingam, all of Kerala will be dotted with flower beds. The flower beds are laid in the front yards of homes. The ground is cleared and the floor for the flower bed is prepared. The floor is plastered with cow dung paste in a circle and a lump of cow dung is kept aside to keep the picture in the middle. On Attam Day, a flower bed of tumba is made. Tulasi is kept in the middle. Each day, a new flower bed is made, removing the previous day's flowers. On Chittira too, white flowers are preferred. In some places, Mukkutti flowers are also added on the second day. There are also some who use Kolambi flower. From Chodi Day onwards, coloured flowers can be used. Mostly red flowers are used on Chodi. Chetti and Chembarati flowers fill the floral beds. Chembarati petals are arranged in a circular pattern and Chetti flowers are used after separating them from the bunch. From then on, there is an assortment of colours with Rajamalli, Shangapushpam, Mandarapu and many others, with floral circles growing by the day. On Vishagam Day, Shogamilla Poo, which means a flower without sorrow, is used. In some regions, square floral beds are used on Moolam Day. These flower beds are called as Pookkalam. Some also use Sudarshana Chakra or star in the center on Moolam Day. In some places, on the fifth day, the middle part is raised to make a floor, which is made firm, plastered with cow dung, and flower bed is laid. This is called Poopada. Most places, the umbrellas are planted on the fifth day. From Chodi Day onwards, in addition to the umbrella at the center, umbrellas are kept on the four sides too. The umbrellas are kept on raw midribs taken from coconut fronds and painting them with flowers. There are some others who prepare the umbrella southwards by fixing a sharpened areca nut stem on the ground and then keeping a circular piece cut out of a banana trunk or a yam trunk. Umbrellas of Chembarati and Manjakolambi flowers are implanted on the banana trunk. The maximum number of umbrellas are featured on Uttrada Day. Some places have the tradition of making columns within the floral beds on Pooradam Day. The diversity of one flower for each column. The maximum diversity of flowers is seen on Uttradam Day. Uttradam also features the largest floral bed. Onam Day features only the tumba flower that is believed to have received Mahabali's blessing. On that day, the idols of Mahadevar and Thrikkakkarayappan are installed at the center of the flower bed on leaves. They are covered with flowers using Tumbakudam. In some regions, there is a tradition of installing Mahadevar from Pooradam Day onwards. In Valluvanadu, there is a tradition of keeping Mahadevar from Attam. In some other places, 3 to 7 Mahadevars are placed from the entrance of the house to receive Mahabali. On the southern side of Kerala, a kolam is drawn for Thrikkakkarayappan and it's covered in yellow cloth. Some places also have Ada, a sweet made of rice flour, as offering. One of the fun activities of Onam is for kids to shoot arrows at the Ada and claim the Ada on which their arrows have struck. There are also some who end flower beds on Uttratadi Day. And in some places, a corner of the column is cut on Revati to mark the end of floral bed laying. It is the diversity of Kerala's culture that chiefly encompasses the tradition of flower beds.